Hi everybody, this is a Basta half euro cylinder. I got it from Tonka from UK Lock Sport. Thanks for the locks, Eric, appreciate it. Usual procedure for me. You want to see the key, don't you? There you go. It's pretty easy bitting, pretty much all the same apart from that second pin. That works very nicely. But yes, standard procedure, pin side tension and a slight hook. And moderate to light tension. It's open. Now, I did rake this earlier on quite easily, so I'm going to try that again. Hopefully won't ruin the video by not opening with the rake. It's a W rake, my favourite. See, that's gone into a false set with the rake, which I didn't get single pin picking, so I think that may be bad news. I've not managed to rake it from this point so far. Let's reset that, try again. Just a bit lighter this time. Just into the full set again. But, I wouldn't suggest there's a spool in there. Right, I'm not going to waste your time by raking that for hours on end. So yeah, SPP only for that. But I did rake it for once earlier today. Thanks for watching to the end, guys, and thanks again, Eric, for the lock. Bye for now.